real estate has slowed. But classic cars? Some models have appreciated over 1,200% in the last decade. A Ferrari 250 GTO, bought for $18,000, now sells for $70 million. Classic cars aren't just transportation. They're rare assets, historical art pieces, cultural symbols, and unlike houses, they're not making more of them. Every year, more classic cars are wrecked, lost, or locked in private collections, which means the remaining ones become even more valuable. Scarcity drives prices like nothing else. But here's the secret investors don't understand. People don't buy classic cars only for profit. They buy them because these machines have soul. You can't fall in love with a stock chart, but you can fall in love with the sound of a V12. The Mercedes 300 SL was once $15,000. Today, over $1.5 million. The R34 Skyline nearly tripled in just 5 years. The Miura, a $300,000 car, turned into a $4 million masterpiece. And hey, if you're still watching, it means you're not just here for cars. You're here because you feel the value behind them. So join this community. Stick around. Let's explore the machines that are rewriting the rules of investing. This CTA feels like part of the story, not an interruption. Houses age, cars age, but only one of them becomes a legend. Classic cars don't just hold value. They create history, emotion, and identity. So tell me, if you could invest in one classic car today, which one would you bet your future on?